If I were to ask your child right now to introduce themselves to me, whether in person or here online, would I be able to tell what an amazing kids they are? Or in other words, are they an effective communicator? Are they able to share their gift or talents to the people they meet? There is an opportunity for 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th graders to join me for a morning of effective communication skill building. I am Patty Pena, a senior from North Catholic High School and a leader of the Into Words Odyssey Fellowship at the STEM Leadership Center, here to guide you. I am gathering 10 participants from 6th to 9th grade to join the Being Heard 101 workshop. We will be learning effective communication skills together. Kids from all backgrounds will practice how to speak professionally, understand instructions, make requests, ask questions, and share information. It will be held on Saturday, May 8th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Sign up today at this link down below, or if you need more information, go visit my website at intowordsclub.weebly.com. I cannot wait to see you all. Bye bye!